today I'm going to announce the winner of my December giveaway. And you know, I just looked at the title of my my giveaway, and you know, my titles have gotten a little different. My husband, who actually edits my videos, is trying different names to pull more viewers in. So you may say, what the heck kind of title is this? But it's actually bringing more viewers in, so we're going to keep with it. But you know, I'm going to keep doing a giveaway a month, so look for that every month. All right, so we're going to do the December giveaway. I'm going to pick a winner, and just so you know, and I have been accepting entries that are from people who are from outside the United States. I have had nothing but problems. It has nothing to do with the people who are entering. It has to do with the mail. The first time I had somebody from out of the country, it was China. The person there told me, just send me the cash. And I said, sorry, I'm not sending you cash. You get your winnings and that's it. The second person who won was in a country, and a different country, and I sent the stuff, and it cost me like between $12 and $15. I don't remember exactly. But I send it to her. She waits like a month, and then the thing comes back to me. So, you know, I just can't afford to send these out 2 and 3 times or keep sending out these packages. I would even send it out to a foreign land if I was guaranteed that the person would get it. Now, I have to tell you that most of my giveaways are anywhere between $15 and $30. I'm just saying that when postage is that high and when things aren't getting to people, it's just a waste of everybody's time. I'm really sorry to the folks that live outside the United States. I'm not going to continue doing that anymore. If somebody wins this month's giveaway and they're from outside the United States, I will email you back and say, sorry, I'm just not shipping, and then pick somebody else. So I'm sorry, I had to tell you that. So if you don't remember what I was giving away for December, I'm giving away 2 plates. One is Maniology, and that's the one with all the cool candy cane stuff on it, which is M512. And I was also giving away a clear jelly stamper of snowmen. And I was giving away these press-on nails by Maniology. Let's go ahead and do the giveaway. You've waited long enough. All right, so let's see who wins. You know, good luck to everybody, and we'll see. Okay, so the winner of this December giveaway is Toy to Poos 28. This person, please email me at nailstampology@gmail.com. And as long as you live within the United States, I will send this out right away. So congratulations to Toy to Poos 28, and look for my next giveaway in January. Thanks for watching, everybody.